Okay, what we're going to do is find out if a hairdryer can take the mount of a Nikon base plate off. So this mount is stuck on with incredibly powerful adhesive, and the rumor has it that if you put a hairdryer on it, it comes off easily without damaging the helmet. So let's find out if that's true. So we'll just try it. Hairdryer on high, nice and hot. It's getting pretty hot, so maybe I'll get something. Here's a little thing I can maybe wedge it with. Maybe even a letter opener. Let's see if the letter opener will work. Oh, pretty hot. Pretty hot. Okay, so let's see if this comes on. No. Tints in the fingers. Okay, we'll give it some more time. Looks good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's happening. Look at this. There comes some glue. Letter opener might not be strong enough, so I have a little screwdriver here. Maybe that'll do it. Don't want to scratch the helmet. The whole idea is not to hurt the helmet. Look at this. Okay. So the mount is off. And it looks like this isn't hurting the helmet at all. There we go. It is hot though. Bingo! There it is. That's the glue. And there's the helmet. Looks just fine. Hot. Well, I'm getting a phone call, so that'll be that. It works.